Hello all, I'm Vishwadeep and welcome to day 12 of my 100-day AI journey. So today I'll show you that what I've gone through with this Zapier automation. It's totally similar kind in respect to the make.com. What I've shown you with the previous days with the day 10 and day 11, that how I have automated the email automation and the social media post with the make.com. You can also go through there is a course that has been arranged from the make.com. Okay, so from there you can go and learn all those concepts, that how to make the basics of automation, and what are the foundation, that were the basic things that you need to learn. See, the automation to AI agents, advanced tools and AI agent settings optimizations. So there are different kinds of courses that you can learn it from. And say if you are a total beginner, then they will show you the exact path, that how you can go from a perfect novice, or from the perfect beginner to an advanced. See, so learning path: foundations, basics, intermediate, advanced, automation to AI agents. So this is how you can let me go to the foundation. So here you can check all the courses mentioned over here, and these are all free courses. These are not being paid courses or anything like that. These are only free courses that helps you to analyze how the automation works and how you can work on this make.com. So the concepts and the foundations, or whatever you can check in these courses, it's all similar to every other automation platforms, like what I will be showing to in Zapier today. Okay, the concepts and the foundations are nearly 80 to 90% similar thing, but how you use the interface, then the different types of tools that you are using, it may differs as per the tools. Okay, so that's how you can go through this make.com academy uh, courses, where you can see this is your dashboard. The all courses are being mentioned. So whenever you are trying to progress up with any of the uh, tutorials, it will be mentioned over here that kindly you are on this platform, and kindly what are the courses that are in progress, not started or completed. So you can get an overview of what are the courses that you are going through. Okay, so let me come into this Zapier automation. It's quite similar to the make.com, but I can say what I have used with the Zapier is quite much more beginner friendly or the user friendly than the make.com. Let me show you why I have told you this, and how you can automate the things with the use of Zapier.com. This is the interface whenever you, or the landing page whenever you are coming and coming into this Zapier.com. So you can sign up or log in. As I have already logged in into this, you can go to Zapier logged in, continue with Google. You are signing back to Zapier. So this is the Zapier interface that comes, and whenever you are trying to open this Zapier, like the make.com, you are having this templates over here, the predefined templates, where you can click any of this and you can get a list of the tools that are being mentioned, and you can easily connect with each of the apps and start the automation journey over here, right? So what are the different other menu items or the sub menus that are present? Let me show you. These are the assets. Under the assets, you can give the folders, favorites, apps, textable forms, chatbots. Like if you want to create your chatbot for your business or for any of the, say, your personal for your personal use, also you can use a chatbot. WhatsApp chatbot, Telegram chatbot, any, just you name any kinds of chatbot and you can use that chatbot in the Zapier. Then canvases, Say let me give and show an example how the canvases look. Create canvas, like maybe you have used Figma or different kinds of Android prototypes. You create those screens one by one, so you connect those dots, and that's how your screen comes up when you click on any kinds of any apps. Maybe some engineers are there whoever is trying to build the apps through the Android Studio or anything. They try to create those flow, what comes after one another. So like the if I create the canvas, it will open the canvas. So that's how this is one of a screen, that is a screen. So that's how you guide it to build your this canvases. Okay, so these are the assets and these are the predefined templates. uh, Say there are some simple automations, okay, which you don't want to build it from the scratch, you can use the guided template over here. um, why it's not opening? Okay, see, getting started, then your Zapier account, if you have any kinds of API key that you can provide. Then Zaps, if you have already created some kinds of scenarios, that will be coming into the Zaps. Then the Zapier tools, Zapier AI, it is kind of you providing the exact direction and the message or the prompt that you will be using, and the Zapier AI will give you the perfect automated tools over there, and you just connect with your Google Drive or Google Sheets, whichever tools are being basically present over there in the uh, at that moment in that scenario. Custom logic and integrations, you can use the filters, you can use the routers. I have mentioned previously in the day 9 where from how each scenario starts. Okay, so you can use router, filter, then iterator. So there are different kinds of basics that you need to just go through. You can go back to previous day 9 and you can understand how this scenarios exactly works. Okay, so fine. So let me just show you one example how we can use the Zapier.com. Let me go into this home. See, until unless you use it or you personally use this or doing some hands-on practice, you won't be able to understand how these workflows or these scenarios are working. It can be Zapier, it can be make.com, or it can be any other automation tool. Okay, so some of the differences, let me tell you. See, with the Zapier.com, you are having only 14 days to try with the Zapier's paid features. But for the make.com, you are getting these thousands credits. Say if I let me check. Yes, see, credits left 894 of 1000. It's for the in total. After that, you need to take the upgraded version. But here also in the Zapier, after the 14 days being over, you have been also limited with this zero of thousands credits. Okay, so the credits are there, you can use if you extend over 1000 you need to take the paid features. So that's what quite similar in terms of the pricing, but in terms of interface or I can say Zapier is much more user friendly. See, here in the Copilot, what would you like to automate? Simplified. Since I have my name. I have logged in into this Zapier with a simplified mail, so it's showing me how about you simplified. Okay, so it's a Copilot. It just gives you a clear idea. It solves nearly 50 to 60% of your work. After that, it will provide you the tools, and you can automatically connect those tools with your other apps. So that's simple how it is. So let me show you how what you can use with this Copilot. Say I want to send a thank you response when someone mm, when someone submit responses in the Google Forms. Okay, say you don't know this kind of automation, that how it's working. Okay, so I just want to this Zapier Copilot that I want to build this kinds of automation. So guide me that which are the tools that are being required and how, and what are the things that I need to connect, and how can I build this automation from the scratch. Okay, click enter. See, it's giving you the whole direction, and then you can directly build from here only. Your workflow: send a thank you mail on Google Form submission, trigger when someone submits a response, send them a thank you mail via Gmail, workflow apps, Google Forms, Gmail. Okay, now click on this continue with Zap Editor. See, already this has been published in your scenarios of Zap. The triggering point is the Google Forms, and the sheet and the action is the Gmail account. See. While I was giving you the whole idea about how it will work, it has formed over directly. Okay, and side by side, it's also working. Okay, see, sign into Google Forms, sign into Gmail. So that's how easy it is. Okay, sign into Google Form. You can connect with the Google Forms. Continue with to Google Forms. Now it will show that it has already been connected. Okay, connect account connected. I hopefully yes. Sign into Gmail. Let me sign in. Select all. Continue. Now what happened? The Google Forms and the Gmail both account has been connected. Fine. It's automatically configuring the things in the Google Forms. You just wait, let it do its work. You just simply relax. See. Google Forms add trigger event new form response. You can choose any from this anything. Where is it? Okay, let it complete, then I will start doing it. Okay, see, you just wait and watch that how it is working with the Copilot version, and it is providing you the exact details over here. Enter text responded email CC BCC from name, say my name is Bishwadip. Okay, reply to, say I'm keeping my another ID. Okay, thank you for submitting the form. Hi there, thank you for taking the submit simplified markets. You can choose your add signature default, label, mailbox, attachments. You can provide the other details also. Let's keep on continue. Send message to Gmail. So there you have given the details from subject, body type, signature. So every details have been mentioned over here. Okay, if you want to test this step, or you can skip the test. uh, Let me test the step directly over here. Fail to create a message to send email in at least one to CC or BC address. Let me fix it. So I think automatically this where is it? Okay, let me configure once again. CC. Okay, CC. Let me keep this account only. Let's see whether it will take. or not. Allow. Okay, continue. Test step. It needs at least one cc. What's happening? Okay, previously. Fine, let's check whether the same email will take it or not. Huh, see, a message was sent to Gmail about 0 seconds ago. So let me just check whether I am having this received or not. See, thank you for taking the time to submit your response. We appreciate your input. So that's how you can automate the whole thing in this Zapier.com. So it's so simple to use this Zapier than over Make, but Make is more advanced, and uh, it can uh, uh, it can assure you that more complex actions can also be performed in this Make.com. So that's all about today. That was a small use case of the Zapier.com, and what is the difference between the Zapier, where we can use the Zapier and where we can use the Make.com. So I'll cover at a much more later period where I'll show you the overall use case of this Zapier and how it can be done with the use of this tool. So thank you everyone.